Now let us understand the difference between large intestine and small intestine. We saw that there are three features for the large intestine: appendices epiploicae, okay, hostrations or saculations, and tinea coli. But for the small intestine, we don't see this. Okay, it's a tubular structure. You can see multiple folds, and you can see a fold of peritoneum holding the entire structure by wrapping it. So this is called as mesentery. Okay, this is a mesentery, fat filled double layered peritoneal folding which covers the small intestine. Small intestine is mobile, but large intestine is a retroperitoneal structure on both sides. That means ascending and descending colon are covered by peritoneum on the front sides. But for the transverse colon is mobile structure, and hence we get some kind of fold from the pancreas from the bottom, and from there you get a fold of peritoneum which holds the transverse colons in place. This is called as transverse mesocolon. That is a different structure. Okay, so we have mesentery for small intestine, and only mobile structure of large intestine is transverse colon, which has transverse mesocolon. Now let us keep transverse large intestine aside, and we'll look at small intestine itself. The next question is how to identify parts of small intestine. Now during dissection we don't usually remove off duodenum, because duodenum is a retroperitoneal content. So that's why it is difficult to pull out separately along with the small intestine. So duodenum and pancreas are removed together, where jejunum and ileum are together. So in the small intestine usually we have jejunum and ileum. So next question in the viva which will be asked is, which is jejunum, which is ileum? We know this is a small intestine now. So what I would advise students is go for the extreme ends of the cut portion of small intestine. Let's say this is a small intestine. Now I am holding it. I am going to the extreme portion of the small intestine where it is continuous. Here in this part it is continuous with the large intestine. Okay, so I am going to trying to see what is the extreme end of the small intestine. So this is the end of the small intestine, okay, where it is now continuous with the large intestine, where we have appendix. You can see that this is the cecum and appendix of the large intestine. So if you have specimen only having small intestine, how to identify jejunum and ileum? Let us understand that.